We done this. Loading images also we started, I guess, yesterday, kada? And even we done that, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I can make it. This one is a running topic. Oh, yesterday I left in between early, I guess. Okay. Okay. Online team, good evening, everyone. Yeah. Okay. Then loading with this we already done, I guess, in a different ways. What is the last example? Rotation. This we already done. Okay. Now the next one, loading with the keras. This you should aware. This you should aware actually. How to load an image by using keras library? Try to understand. It is very easy. I mean to say, are you talking about image actually? Yeah, Daniel. Then we can load image. We can just have to load image. We can just have to load what exactly sir image by using what is the first one? You know, sir, pillow. We done by using pillow. Second one by using matplotlib. Yeah. Second one by using matplotlib actually. And third one by using what exactly? You know, sir. And TensorFlow. Kind of some keras actually. Keras. Come on, let me show you. All right, it's a very simple, but the process is almost similar actually. We need to import we just need to import a function. We need to call a function. For that function, we need to pass the name of image, and the function calling we need to assign it to variable. By using that variable, nothing but an object, we need to call a method which is so called as a show. Simple. Same process. Let me just try to get this. Now here is the story. You can just have to get this one. Yeah. You can just have to write emg dot what exactly sir image show. Now you can just have to get the image also. Let's run this one. Though it is related to the TensorFlow library related, then logs it will be display. Logs it will be display. Come on. It is loaded, sir. It's became little slow. Why? Because yeah, image got loaded actually. Every library having their own function, their own method to load image. It should be. They can convert into their convenient object actually. They can perform an operation option. They can perform an operation actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Hope you understand. This is the way we can load image by using TensorFlow. Let us apply some operations. Loading images by using TensorFlow. After loading, can I do small sum operation actually? Yeah, you can do, sir. What we're doing here, first of all, we are loading image. We're just trying to converting into, we are doing some modifications and we are saving and we are converting into image to array. Sir, these are all functions. These are all what? Functions actually, right? First, we are loading an image. While loading image itself, you are specifying, I wanted to convert into grayscale mode. I wanted to convert into grayscale mode. You are loading the image. It is giving an object actually. That object we need to convert into array data. That object we need to convert into array. Image to array. Image to what, sir? Array. And we discussed it. Image in the sense group of pixel. Pixel means array. Nothing but number. Once after we done that modification, we can save image actually. Yeah, we are saving that image. And so we need to pass here is an array object actually. Then finally the saved image, can I load actually? Yes, you can load that. Yes, you can. What exactly, sir? Load that. Are you ready? Can I do this one? Yeah. These are all three predefined functions we are, so we are just trying to importing. We are loading an image. We are loading an image actually. Keyword argument, I'm sorry, positional argument. This one is called as a keyword argument. After that, you are just trying to calling a function. Function name is called as a image to array. Image to what, sir? Array. And this object you need to, you are just trying to converting into image to array actually. After that, what we need to do, Daniel, I just wanted to save. You can call a function, sir. You can call a function and here we can give simple something like a Daniel, that's still okay. Now you can just have to load that actually. Now we are here, we are loading again actually. Did you notice? Just we need to apply for loop actually. You have to store all this in one data structure like a list and we can apply into kind of some for loop. That's it. Here Daniel, and let me just have to load that, load that saved one actually, right? Now, are you ready? Can I run this code? Now in current directory, Daniel image supposed to be created and the created file, it will be loaded actually. Children, that thing supposed to be happen. Daniel file should be created here. Yeah, created actually. The file is being getting loading. That's what you need to be understand. Are you with me or not, sir? Same operation even we done yesterday by using pillow. By using what? Pillow and matplotlib also. That's what I'm telling. These are all operations. It is possible. Image operations. But now let me tell you what are all real-time operations by using computer vision actually. Get ready to understand, sir. We are loading image and processing. And what exactly? Processing actually. Processing. That's what you need to be understand. Now, this is big chapter, sir. Actual real time will start now. What is the topic name? Image data augmentation. What is that? Image data. Okay. What is image data augmentation? You have to be understand. What do you mean by image data augmentation? Sir. Try to understand this. Important. It is one of the topic. It is one of the topic in computer vision. Computer vision actually. What is the main motto? Think like there is one problem statement. There is one what exactly one problem statement. For that problem statement, data is required. What is required, sir? Data is required actually. Now, client have given the data. Client, client have given the data. On an average, 10 images client has given. How many images client has given? But how many required, you know? So more data, more knowledge. We know already. Tell me, sir. More data, more knowledge. Now, we are asking to the client, hey client, 10 images not enough. So we need minimum something like 100 images. 90 images are pending. Let me repeat again. 10 images they have given, 90 images are pending. Then what we can do, you know? Yeah, we can create images. I mean, you can create new images from existing images. From what exactly, sir? Existing images. It is called as a image data augmentation. Okay. Adi image data augmentation ante. Creating a image from image. Did you remember feature engineering? Create a feature from feature. Yeah, create a feature from feature, existing feature. And here it is so called as a creating image from what exactly? What image we can create? Simple. We can change the dimension. Yesterday we done reverse. We can flip actually up to us. Brightness we can apply. Zoom we can apply. These are all things we can apply actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Imagine you are creating a model. For you more images required. For you what, sir? More images required. Then you can apply. If you are lack of the data, then you can just to recreate the data by using image data augmentation. Okay, so we are going to working on this one around some 5 to 6 scenarios would have. We are going to work actually try to understand this. Image data augmentation is a technique. By using this we can create a new images. Nice. By using this we can create what's are new images. It helps to increase the training data set. It helps to increase what? Oh, okay. The next one, if more data, I mean to say more images, then model will get a good accuracy. Good accuracy. Different types of image data augmentation in Keras. Look at my screen. Different types of image data augmentation in what exactly? Keras. These are all we are going to do. Image augmentation with image data. Any idea what is image data generator? Class. Very good. Very good. Right. We are going to do image augmentation with so and so class. Horizontal and vertical shift augmentation. That is one of the technique actually. Next one, horizontal and vertical flip augmentation, random rotation augmentation, brightness augmentation, zoom augmentation. This is all we are doing. This one is a predefined class. Here, keyword augments are important. Keyword augments plays important role. Keyword augments plays what, sir? Important role. What all keyword augments you do have, sir? Width shift range. Next one, height shift range. Next one, horizontal flip. Next one, rotation range. These are all you need to be understand. Good, then let us start. You will get an idea. Okay, so the original image is this one. What we are doing is we are taking one original image. By using this image, we are recreating another images actually. Another images. This is important, sir. Yeah. Any idea? Functions. Any idea, sir? Class. I will explain the code. First of all, let me rerun actually. You will get an idea. Yeah. Tim, I will explain the code. First of all, let me rerun this. This library changed actually. Let me run and I can fix the issue. Kindly spare 2 minutes, sir. I strongly sense that this class name, this is changed actually. Let us just to run this. Expected actually. Import error. Okay. Don't worry. Let's take the code actually. You can use ChatGPT. There is a small fix in the code actually. This one is a old library. I mean, this class belongs to the old library. In new library, the class location is the different. Let me tell you that I will update the material. Don't worry. And I will update the material and I can share with you. Ayyo, slice correct and perform horizontal. The error you are seeing, yeah, import error cannot import. It is happening in the some version issue. Correct. This one should be correct, I guess. That's what, sir. Just the class name we have to be changed. That's it. Delete this one. We are almost very near. Perfect. This is the right example. Kindly please consider this example. I can update the material actually. So simple, what are all updates, this one is the right example. So updated example. To load image and apply data augmentation and apply what exactly, sir? Image data augmentation. Image data what exactly? Augmentation. It's the right time I need to explain the code actually. Next is the function, sir. Next is the function. The power of this function will be it can iterate generator actual. It iterates the generator. I will tell you step by step. Hold on. Team, there is a small change. In this document I will upload actually, and image data generator, it was old version. It is available here actually. But now recently this was changed to what exactly, sir? TensorFlow, Keras dot pre-processing image data generator. Class name is the same, but only the location changed actually. Then how ChatGPT itself is suggesting. ChatGPT itself is what exactly, sir? Suggesting actually. And yes, I hope you can understand. I know this I used to work on, on daily basis. Back to the session. What is the what is the main program? What is the purpose of this program? The purpose of this program will be, sir, this one is original image. What is original image actually? There is a one bird. Think like client have given one bird actually. One image. This is the image. Parrot. Am I right? Now, by using this image, I wanted to create other images actually. The two different frames. Look at my screen. There is some slightly difference. Did you notice, sir? First of all, this one is a original image. There is a difference in between here and here actually. There is a gap. But look at this image actually. The image was created. There is some blur here actually. In the, the created image, there is a one blur, but here not that much blur. Height and width, it is keep on changing actually. Did you notice or not, sir? Right. These are all creating some images. Now, how it was happening, how it was happening, because of this width shift range. Because of this, what exactly? Width shift range. Let me explain the code. You will get an idea. Sir, first of all, we have to import the required libraries. We are importing the functions, and there is one class. Class name is image data generator. This one is a function, load image, board.jpg. And yeah, Daniel, first of all, we need to load actually. We are loading by using what, sir? TensorFlow. Okay. Then once we are loading this one, we are getting image actually. We are getting what, sir? Image. Then image to array. We need to convert image to what exactly? Array. and samples equals to expand dimension. The data, it can apply scaling technique actually. What technique, sir? Scaling technique. This step is mandatory, and here you will get all images, kind of some sample data. Start from zero. Start from what exactly, sir? Zero. Conclusion of the story: we are loading image, converting into data. The data we are converting into samples actually. Make a note on this one. Now this object is important. Finally, what we need to do, create an object to this class. The whole line is object creation. What is the whole line? Object creation. While you are creating an object, this parameter is important. Width, shift, range. Chapman sir. What is the topic name? Keyword argument. What is that? Keyword argument. Right. Width, shift, range. Daniel, can I change the value 60, 60? You can try, sir. You can just have to try this one. Let me rerun one more time. You can just have to observe. You can give 90, 90, 60, 60. Use ChatGPT, find out what is minimum value, what is maximum value. Otherwise, use documentation too. That's still okay. Yeah. I can sense no difference, I guess. But slightly there is some differences. You can try to understand. Now, can you tell me, sir, what is the keyword document name? Width, shift, range. Maybe in terms of the image width, it is just rotating actually, just changing, just changing. Okay. Now object is ready. What is object name? Chappan sir. What is object name? Data gen, a kind of some data gen actually, data generator. By using this one, you are calling something, any idea? Method, right? Daniel, how you know these are all? Practice, that's it. One or two times, first of all, do the practice of existing example. Later, you can create your own example actually, right? Data gen dot flow of samples. Did you remember previously this object we need to pass here? Sir, batch size equals to 1. Go to the deep learning, kind of some batch size. I don't want more images. As of now, I have a 1 by 1 image, that is fine actually. Now, sir, IT. Can I tell you the beauty here actually? IT in the sense generator, it returns. It returns what? Generator, sir. It is generator actually. If why generator? In data science project, generator is a kind of some data structure which stores large data with very minimal space actually. With what exactly? Very minimal space. More sufficient actually. I'm sorry, more efficient in terms of the data storage. Now you need how many images, man? 9 images. Let us just to rerun this. Then you are creating with the 9 frames. For in range, yeah, Daniel, subplots we are creating. Okay, good. Make a note on this one. Okay, I need 9 images. You need to pass here 9 times actually. Piplot dot subplot of 330 plus 1 of I plus 1. So it will not override actually. 330 plus 1 plus I. Every time I means 1 value, it is being getting adding actually. If you want, you can give 331 plus 1 also. Still fine. Sir, do you want to iterate list data structure? Use for loop. Use what loop? For loop. Do you want to iterate the generator actually? We can iterate the generator by using a function. Function name is called as a next. What is the function name? Next. Next is a function. By using that, we can iterate the generator. Can I maintain nodes actually? Okay. There are some important points. There are some important points, and this returns generator. Here, IT is IT is a generator. No, sir. IT is a generator actually. Generator. Daniel, what is generator? It's a data structure. It's what exactly, sir? Data structure. By using this, we can store the data, store and process the data. Good. It can store very large data, huge data in more efficient. In what exactly, sir? More efficient. It can store very large data in more efficient actually. It can use very minimal memory. Okay. We can iterate generator by using next function. That's what you need to be understand. And it will be only forward direction. This point not required for you. That's still okay. Tell me. You can just have to print this one, sir. You will come to know. Go back to the pandas. Did you remember what exactly we done? Concatenating multiple CSV file. That day, either it is a generator or not, what I done, tuple comprehension I applied actually. Am I right? Did you guys remember? Oh, go to the pandas example. Did I covered or not? Go to the pandas example. Last example, concatenating multiple CSV file. Here I have applied tuple comprehension. Here applied, oh sorry. Here I applied what exactly, sir? Tuple comprehension. I explained example with list comprehension. Later I told if you are using tuple comprehension, backend it returns generator. Then you can just have to, get that generator and you can pass to what exactly. Do you wanted to check this one? Check the type. That's it actually. Type. Okay. Yeah. I hope you understand. Here exactly. When you are calling this method, it is returning generator. Sir, this for loop is just framing the images actually, nothing. Okay. We just need to iterate one by one, one by one, one by one, so object from the flow. The later, see, look at my screen. Batch of 0 as type of, sir, unit 8. Let me tell you, when you're talking about unit 8 is one of the data type in array. Chappan sir, one of the data type in one of the more efficient whenever you are working with images especially. You can convert into integer, you can convert into float actually, but UINIT actually, init, right? Pipeload dot show image. Yeah, Daniel, we are taking that image and at last you need to print one by one actually. If you understand one example, let me tell you the next 5 examples will be, we are not touching anything, just we are changing this parameter actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let's take this example. Tell me. No, ma'am. Where generator came, definitely next is required actually. Next is required. There is a reason also. Why? Because if you are using for loop, there may be a chance you may go to the backward direction. But so next function will do only forward direction. That's the reason. That's the reason actually. Okay. Yeah. Are we done this example? Oh, I copied here, sir. I copied here. Sir, pure Python code, sir. If you don't know, if you don't know, this one is a function, this one is a method, this one is a class. 90% of functionality here itself only, right? This is so called as a chapter. What is this topic actually? The topic name is called as a image data augmentation with width shift range. What is that? Width shift range. Here you are asking, boss. So samples. Generally, we are applying scaling technique actually. So are you asking about this one or this one? This is special. You can just have to print this batch actually. From the generator, we are getting the index actually, index notation. Okay. This one would be we are applying the scaling technique. Scaling technique. I don't want bigger number like a 0. Do one thing. If you wanted to understand about this function, let me tell you slowly by slowly, like being a self-learner, use ChatGPT. I recommend you. You can take this code and you can copy paste actually. You can ask to kindly please explain. It will explain, I'm sure. Step by step, you will explain actually. Okay. Good. And the next one would be, did you copy it actually? No, Daniel, let me copy this. The next example would be just changing by one small parameter. Just changing by one small parameter. What is that parameter, sir? Chapter, so what is the parameter actually? Height shift range equals to 0.8 value. We will give 0.6 also and we can try. what I can do, let's take this one. I can take this backup actually, and I can comment this one, and I can just have to modify this code actually. Okay. Then you will get a somewhat little clarity. Then you'll take this and you can just have to apply here actually. Yeah. Now let us rerun. Now focus on height shift range. Previously width shift range. If you want, you can give your own photo, sir. It is recreating some images. That is seriously awesome. Changing the position for ML for algorithm. See, position, even this one is the same board, even this one is the same board, even this one is the same board. That position really matter actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Right. It is recreating images. It is so called as a image data augmentation actually. Image data, what exactly, sir? Augmentation. Daniel, can you change the value? Can I change the value 0.6? Let me try. Now it will, we'll see. We are shifting some height position. The name itself is, we are height shift range. Almost similar like a previously. Some 9. Can I ask you a question? I need on an average, here is the 9, right? Like a 12 or 15. What I need to do? Just here, what we need to do, sir? Yeah, 12. You need like a big frame image. You need to apply here is some properties actually. Subplot means, you will get a kind of some subplot 1, subplot 2, subplot 3, respect like this actually. Okay. So make a note on this one, the same image it is taking, only face actually. Sir, can I tell you, these are all different frames. These are all different frames actually. Make a note on this. I can take this example. Height shift range. Next example. Any idea? Horizontal flip. Okay. Horizontal flip equals to true. Is it? Then let us just have to copy paste this. Take a backup actually. Now here you can just have to apply this. Position changed. Am I right or not, sir? Yesterday also we played this kind of example, flipping position. Yesterday we worked with Pillow library, I guess actually, but Matplotlib. Now we are working with TensorFlow, flipping the images actually. Okay. Randomly the positions are being getting flipping. Horizontal flip. Now, just to only we are playing with one keyword argument, sir. That's what the session starting itself I told. Here keyword arguments plays very important role actually. With your permission, can I walk through the starting actually? You can just have to come here, sir. Look at my screen. What is this one? Class name. And here first one is a width shift range, height shift range, horizontal flip. Next one, we'll see. This just now we done. Let us apply rotation range. What we are going to apply, sir? Rotation range. Ayyo. It is changing the rotation, sir. So randomly the rotations is being getting changing actually. Rotation equals to 90. Can I provide kind of some 60? You can see. Can I talk with online team meanwhile? Are you following, sir? Siddiq sirji, no response from anybody. Okay. Yeah. I'm changing the value. I'm sure now you understand. Just we are recreating images by using existing image. Take your own image if you want. Then you will get a somewhat little difference actually. Not at over. What is the next one, you know, sir? Random brightness augmentation. What is the next one? Random brightness augmentation. Random brightness augmentation. The brightness of the image can be augmented by either randomly darkening images, brightening images, or both actually. Let me explain this. Yeah, please understand this, sir. Brightness range 0.2 to 1.0. Maybe this is something like a 0.21, I guess. Uh, oh, just to we are changing one parameter, man. If you understand one example end to end, then almost you are going to understand almost all examples actually. Wow, this is somewhat you can understand. Did you notice some little blur? I guess actually brightness actually. We'll do one thing. How much we have given here actually? 0.2 to 1, right? Can I give 0.4 actually? Let us try. Then చూడండి. Here almost blur, sir. More blur here actually. Slowly, slightly change. Slightly change. All right. No, same image. Copy pasted image actually. Go back here. It's easy, sir. Let me tell you how. Simple. I hope. Can you talk with me? Image means what? Array. When I say array, group of pixels, right? Chapman sir, group of pixels actually. Now what it will do, whenever you are applying this one, randomly those numbers will be changed. Those numbers and positions will be changed actually. Positions will be changed. That's it, it is going to happen. We no need to do deep dive actually. I'm sure, I hope you understand. So the point will be, whenever you're talking about kind of some image, group of pixels, right? Those pixel numbers and positions are being getting changing. That's what you need to get an idea. Piyush sir, hope you understand. Okay. All right, what we done? Brightness range. Brightness range 0.2 I have given actually. What is the minimum value, maximum value? I need to look at the documentation if you're looking for more. Then random zoom augmentation. Random zoom augmentation. For example, 0.7 to 1.3 means 70% of the zoom in and 130% of what exactly, sir? Zoom out actually. Come on, let us apply this. Zoom augmentation. Let's take the same example. Tell me. 1 minute, one more time. Can you repeat again? Simple, ma'am. Yeah. Do you want to apply all this one actually? Program to program, what is changing? Only this one is changing. Then what we need to do, these are all we need to save in like key, like a dictionary. This one is a dictionary. First key value, second key value, third key value, and apply for loop actually. Then you will apply all these things in one shot actually. Let me repeat again. Almost how many examples? Everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Daniel, instead of this 5 example, can I convert this example into single example? We can do that. But what we need to do, create a separate dictionary. For that dictionary, this one should be the key and this one should be value. Write a for loop. Just to keep this one inside a for loop actually. Then iterate one by one. Exactly. Okay. If you want, I can write the theory also here. Go back. Where are we? Brightness image. Zoom range. We are just trying to processing here zoom range value. Almost 6 points, man. 6 examples. Depends upon only one example actually. You are asking only single image. Then go for matplotlib, ma'am. You can apply the same property. Here you no need to use for loop actually. Do one thing. You can do little, So here, first of all, I have a question. Why for loop came? Simple. You need almost these many. If no for loop, single image you will get actual. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Team, wow. What we applied, sir? Any idea? We applied the property which is so called as a zoom range. Yeah. So frankly speaking, we are getting scaring actually. Are you with me or not, sir? The zoom in and zoom out, it is applied. Okay. Sir, this is what so called as a best example. Gen AI. Gen AI. What is the main motto for Gen AI? Creating a data. Backend, it is applying this topic actual. One of the topic which is so called as a data augmentation. Data augmentation actually. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Combination. Yeah, we can do. Definitely. But I need to check cross verify what is the class name for that actually. You're asking like let's take a 4 images, combine into one image actually. Sir, anything we can do, sir. But relevant class name and properties we have to be aware actually. One point I can say from starting F letter to till last parenthesis, pure Python code actually. Nothing is there. Pure Python code, but we have to do little R&D. Flow method, what is the purpose? Class, what is the purpose? Zoom underscore range, what is the purpose? Do. When you are jumping and you are trying to do that, what is the purpose of that one? Then you will get an idea. Did you understand or not, sir? Okay. So this is about what exactly, team? Image data augmentation. Do you have a last example? No, that's what you need to be understand. This is so called as a image data augmentation. Image data augmentation is a technique. By using this, we can recreate what exactly, sir? New images actually, new images. All right. So I hope we done that one too. Go back and you can just have to come here. There are some use cases. I hope I already told. Not all company having the computer vision projects actually. Good. There are some use cases. These use cases directly we need to use the code actually. Now make a note on this one. First I will show you the output actually. You will get an idea. Did you notice this one is original output, sir? This one is original image. We are creating kind of what is this any idea? Edges actually. I just wanted to, I will give my image. In front of you, I will give my image actually. And we'll get a kind of some edge. Backend algorithm. Simple backend, there is a program. Now the next one. Copy paste code actually. Yeah, I'm taking this image. Daniel, I wanted to edge detection. I just wanted to highlight like a segmentation actually. Simple, sir. Very easy. Are you with me? Right. Generally, this kind of thing nowadays you are seeing more and more. In your mobile also we can do this one actually. Backend algorithm. Backend program is working. Whenever you are choosing that option, backend the program is triggering actually. The program is being getting triggering. More constants, nothing is there. But I can tell these two also. Hold on. There are few scenarios. Good. Edge and contour detection. CV application detects edge first and then collect other information. What exactly, sir? It detect edge first and then collect what exactly? Other information. Okay. There are many edge detection algorithm. There are many, sir. And the most popular one is CANNY edge detector because it is a pretty effective compared to the other algorithms actually. So let me tell you, as I told you, AI means group of algorithms. You no need to remember and by heart all algorithms actually, but at least there are few algorithms you have to remember actually. Okay. CANNY edge detector. Edge detector before that CNNY. It also complex edge detection technique. Yeah. So it can do deep dive actually. Below are the steps of Kenny detection algorithm detection. It reduces noise and smoothen image. It will remove where are all some mistakes. If the image having some mistakes, noise means error, it will remove. Calculate gradient. The error calculation it will do. Non-maximum suppression. I mean to say, imagine the image, it cannot make it more zoom actually. That is called as a non-maximum suppression. Double the threshold. Linking and edge detection. Sir, this you need to walk through once. What is a double threshold and these are all. But anyway, 1 minute. I don't have that image, I guess. Can I take my own image? Is it okay? I will take my image, sir. Sir, today, let me tell you how to install computer vision library. Hmm. We done actually. Pip install, open, open CV actually, open CV. And how to import, we can import like this. Import CV2. Import what? CV2 actually. This is the way we need to import. I'm sorry, yesterday did I told iPhone actually? Sorry. Open CV only. Open CV. Scikit-learn iPhone came. Scikit-learn. Okay. So let us just have to use matplotlib. This is just for image actually, image loading. Now I can explain the code actually. Let me run this one first. But what is image, sir? Cheppani image enti? Daniel image iddama? It's okay. We are saving image. This is the saving. Okay. Let me just have to move to the next one. All right, sir. Are you ready? First of all, is CV is available in my laptop. Let me cross verify. If it is not available, we can install. My image actual. Did you notice? What is my original image? I hope you already know. Edge detection. This is the original image, sir. Back end there is a shadow. This is nothing but a kind of some error actually. It is removed. That is called as a handling the gradient actually. Are you with me? You can give any image, any person image. It is detecting actually. Okay. Yeah. చెప్పండి. This shadow you will not get actually. These are all. That is called as a reverse engineering actual. Okay. Sir, for when do you wanted to process images actually? Definitely these are all ways. These are what exactly ways actually. Good. Can you tell me what is algorithm name? Canny edge detection. If you want, let me explain the code actually. The code is very simple. The same code we need to use. You no need to do any changes. You are reading image. Okay. Previously, we loaded image by using TensorFlow, Keras, by using TensorFlow and Keras. Now we are loading image by using computer vision. What is that? Computer vision. Yeah, IM read. Any idea what is IM read? Function, right? So we are getting an image here. Now CV2 dot CNNY. Any idea what is CNNY? Class. Yeah, good. Inside of this one class, and the whole line is object creation, sir. The whole line is what? Object creation. While you are creating an object, the parameters you are passing, first you are passing as the image object actually 100, 200, 3. Once I need to walk through the documentation. What is 100 value, 200 value? L2 gradient. What do you mean by gradient? You know, gradient descent algorithm you are initiating actually. Gradient descent algorithm you are initiating actually, right? And Daniel, can I show you the image plt.figure? Plt.figure actually title you are providing, and I wanted to save that image actually in so and so location. That's what you need to be understand, sir. Daniel, do I need to mug up this code actually? No, sir. If you even know the requirement actually, what is the requirement? Any idea? Edge detection. You can ask to the chat GPT and it will give the code actually, pure Python code only. What code, sir? Python code only. Here onwards, if you know the requirement, you can ask code to the chat GPT. Sir, can I tell you? In a olden days, we can ask, can you give me some water? Then water is free. Olden days, code is not free. It's too difficult to get the code. But nowadays, we are getting code like a water actually. Either you believe or not. Previously, when I was working as a Java developer, we need to sit, we need to think the logic, we need to implement. We need to think the logic, we need to implement. But today, not like that. Give me the right prompt. Give me what? Right prompt. Ask nicely. ChatGPT is giving the code. Copilot, ChatGPT, these are all giving the code actually. Daniel, how come it is possible? If you want, I will tell you what exactly happened. In web actually, there is a lot of examples, especially GitHubs actually. What exactly, sir? ChatGPT model was well trained with almost all examples. Then even it is recreating new examples actually. That's what it is happening. Okay. Edge detection. Siddiq, Siddiq sir, water is not free, but code is free, sir. Madam, yeah. Siddiq sir, you're right. Madam, tell me. Gradient descent algorithm. Ma'am, by this time you should know actually, right? Edge detection. The main motto for gradient descent algorithm will be go to the machine learning. Did you remember the flow actually? Cost function. The next one will be gradient descent algorithm. The main motto will be increase accuracy. Increase what exactly? Accuracy. Decrease, reduce error actually. Reduce what exactly? Error. This is the main motto. Gradient descent algorithm takes care about focus on accuracy, reducing error. That's main motto. Okay, okay. Now I understand. Imagine, let us just to take a CSV file. No, no, I'm sorry, ma'am. Now I got your point. CSV file having missing values. But let me take a image having some kind of some blur areas. Blur areas actually. Blur areas is nothing but error. It takes care about. This is also called as a noise. That blur areas also called as what exactly? Noise actually. Gradient descent algorithm takes care about how to remove that noise. You need dot symbol. These are all. It takes care. Let me drink water, please. Online team. Uh, did you watch Gen 2 session? I have uploaded generative AI session. I have uploaded, I guess, in Google Classroom. Did you upload the material? I hope I uploaded material a long back actually. Can you please walk through? There you can find out transformers library also. Just try to watch the video once, you will get an idea. Did you watch it, sir? Anyone watch it actually? Please. If you didn't watch, let me know. I already shared in Google Classroom cross verify. Please up to date actually. Okay. Uh, Coming Saturday also I will upload one more session. Either Saturday or Sunday. We'll see. I can plan accordingly. Kind of some Gen AI, especially LLM, vector database, RAG. These are all during weekend I will cover. These are all highly advanced topics. During weekend I will share the recording sessions. I will share what exactly recording sessions I'm taking for other batches actually. That recording session I'm directly sharing with you. Kindly please watch. Kindly please what exactly watch actually. LLM vector database RAG. These are all advanced topics. Just including in your resume, if you are able to include LLM vector database RAG actually, your resume will be more weightage. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Yeah. I hope I already started sharing these videos actually. Kindly please walk through. All right. The next one will be contours. So the image, what exactly we done, this is so called as a contours actually. A kind of some, let me tell you, are lines joining all the continuous objects or points actually along with the boundaries. Sir, simple sir, having the same color or intensity. Best example, there is a one image. Daniel, I just wanted to connect all edges. I wanted to connect all what exactly? Edges. See, contours are lines joining all the continuous objects or points actually along with the boundary having same color or what exactly sir? Intensity. You can apply the colors also. For example, it detects the shape of leaf. Okay. Based on its parameters or what exactly sir? Boundary. Let us take a shape of leaf actually. It can apply. I'm getting some noise here, I guess. Oh, okay. Uh, CONTOURS are the important tool for shape and what exactly sir? Object detection. These contours are an object are the boundary lines that make up the shape of an object actually. Can you please walk through the theory? This is the example. I have one question. Hold on. If all are in capital letter, any idea? Constant actual. Constant actual. First, I will run this example. So now, so you will get an idea. This image I don't have, but what you can do, I can take this image. 1 minute, sir. All right. Now the image is ready. I would like to run the code. This image I wanted to pass. Get ready. Loading an image. After loading an image, CV dot wait key. What is wait key? We have a CV project. Hold on. We are just trying to, so opening an image and we are telling to wait actually, wait of 0. Now we are just trying to calling CV2 dot, it is a function, image dot CV2 dot color background gray. We are just trying to applying this. Let me run the code, sir. Don't scare and don't worry about the code actually. Total is predefined, sir. Instead of understanding what is edge and what is these are all, I request you please focus on syntax more than enough. Can somebody explain about the syntax of this? Is syntax or an explain, yes, sir? Two values, that's it. Focus on that, right? If you want more explanation about this one, instead of this library, these are all keyword arguments. I'm sorry, constants. That's what you need to be understand. What is wait key? Important. We have a CV2 project I'm going to cover. Oh, what is image? 2.jpg. But what image I have saved actually? One. Can just have to save this. Get ready, sir. First image we got it. Close this, second output we will get it. Did you understand or not, sir? I'm repeating again. There are two windows are being getting opening. After creating first image, you are telling wait some time. Wait some time. So click on this, and this is the next image actually. Clear in the sense. Okay. Can I rerun one more time? This one, sir. Okay. Here, maybe not sure, sir. There are some properties we can apply. Sir, let me tell you, no limitation. No limitation. We can just have to take the code and we can apply actually. We need to check. If you wanted more examples, we need to work with more on this documentation actually. More on this documentation. Okay. Yeah. So these are all I request you need to walk through. But more here in the given code actually, first time you are saving more. Can you talk with me? Constants actually, more constants. That's what you need to be understand. Wait key is important. Where I will cover wait key, we are going to cover one real-time project actually. There I will explain. There is a computer vision one project, not only one. There are few projects we are going to work actually. I will explain here what is wait key actually. Wait key and destroy all windows also will cover. This is the predefined example you need to walk through. Edge detection. All right. This is when I say use cases actually, just you should have an idea. Don't worry, during interview, no one will not ask explain this code and like this actually. Don't worry. Sir, it's right time. You should know there are some projects actually, especially computer vision. We are going to playing with video data, audio data. Yeah, mainly video focus actually, mainly video focus. Did I run these examples previously? Okay. Now only order coffee I have run previously. This one also did I run? Okay. So let us just have to run this. Let me run actually. Now computer vision projects. First understand the requirement. Let me take the first project, sir. Online team, look at my screen. This project requirement is, what is a project requirement, I would like to give one video. I would like to give one video. In that video, I will say, hello, good evening. Hello, what? Good evening. Now I will give that video file to this project actually. This project supposed to extract text from video. What I said actually? Hello, good evening. Yeah, one of the Gen AI project actually. Especially, you are giving video, you are giving WhatsApp video, and we can extract the text actually. That is seriously awesome. Can I tell you pure Python code, sir? Pure Python code. First of all, let me run. You will get an idea. Let me just try to take video. Oh, I hope I already taken video actually. But anyway, I will take in front of you. You will get an idea. Understand the requirement. Then can I create a video? Online team, look at my screen. I'm creating a video. Pronunciation should be correct whenever you're recording. Come again. What I told actually. That example I showed. Now today I'm explaining. The code I'm explaining. Okay. Let me record a video. Hello team. Good evening everyone. Just one sentence and pronunciation should be correct actually. Now we'll do one thing. What I told, did you remember? Hello team. Good evening. Let us take that video. Where that videos are available, sir. Maybe here can I expect? This one. Let's take, and you can just have to pass inside video. And now, all right, then you're almost done actually. You can just have to run this program. Pure Python code actually. Hello team, good evening everyone. It is loaded image, loaded video. I will explain what is the process it is happening in the backend actually. Hello team, good evening everyone. Simple. I have given video. It is giving text data. It is giving what? Text data. This is important. Now, what is the engine? What is the engine will be? Take this text data, you need to apply NLP techniques. Take this text data, you need to apply NLP techniques, and you need to capture what are all important words actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Right? Now, can I explain the code? You will get an idea. మీకు నేను code explain. First of all, you understand, right? You have to record your video. You have to record your video, and that video you need to provide as input actually. That video you need to provide as what exactly, sir? Input. This project will work actually. Sir, very simple. Let me explain about the code. Team, did you understand? Online team. I need one response, sir, from anybody. Sir, in data science, anything is possible. We can do. We can do actually. This program, it is not possible, ma'am, but that is a different one. You mean to say captions in the sense? Yeah. We can get it. We can get it. Definitely different program actually. Okay. First in high level, I will explain. Now, this one is a document we have, don't worry. These are all steps are getting involving in this project. Extract text from video. This is one of the use case. Extract what? Text. I mean, the text data I need from what exactly, sir? Video. Good. These are all steps. Step number 1, importing the library. Next one, loading the video. Okay. First step, we need to import the libraries. The next one, we need to load video. That is something like MP4 file actually. And after you have loaded, what we need to do, sir? Extract audio from video. Okay. If you have given video, backend it is extracting audio actually. That is a process. After extracting audio, so it is saving in one location. That file it is saving in one location. That file it's supposed to load actually. Then at last, extract text from what exactly, sir? Audio. Very simple. Importing the libraries, loading the video. From video to, you can just have to create a audio file. Extract audio file. Audio is nothing but MP3. Chapman, sir? MP3, right? Load MP4, create MP3, load MP3. I'm repeating again. Load MP4, create MP3, load MP3. What confusion, boss? First of all, we are getting video. Video is called as what exactly? MP4. Then first we need to load actually. It's okay, I'm sorry. This is so called as a load video. Then after we have loaded, what we need to do, from MP4, we need to create, we need to create MP3. Create MP3 actually. Then what we need to load MP3. That's it. That's okay. MP3, and here I can also call as audio. Perfect. Then extract the text data. From where? MP3 actually. Now extract text from MP3 actually. These are all the steps. It's supposed to be followed in the code actually. I'm repeating again. Very easy. I will explain line by line actually. Code I will explain line by line. Line by line. Let me walk through. Maybe let me explain few lines of the code. You will get an idea. Do you want to work with this project actually? First of all, you have to install these are all libraries. What are the libraries? Sir. MoviePy, speech recognition. Specific version only you have to install. Okay. Yeah, pip install MoviePy, and I hope with the space separate I'm installing all libraries actually. Good. And now you have to run the code. I mean, I have given kind of some suggestions actually. Good. Let's minimize the code actually. Let us start the cinema. Importing the libraries. Yes. OS, Globe, MoviePy, speech recognition. Perfect. OS module, Globe module. Somewhere we worked actually. Yeah. Good. I hope you know that. We are aliasing. MoviePy.editor. We are aliasing as MP. Speech recognition. Package name. We are what exactly, sir? Aliasing actually. Perfect. Move to the next one. Sir, look at my screen. Everybody. Simply I have written a function. Function having a return statement. Okay, I'm calling the function. Calling the function. Function having parameter, then you need to pass F actually. What is F here, sir? Videos location. Any idea what is a dot actually? Very good. In current directory, there is a folder. Folder name is called as a videos. Okay. In current directory, exactly, there is a folder. Folder name is called as a, that's what we are passing. Where I copied that video location we need to specify actually. Okay. Then this function takes that videos. Sir, let's move on. OS dot path dot join folder dot MP4. We are just trying to capturing MP4 file actually. I will share the code, sir, directly. Siddiq sir, how to deploy this code in our desktop actually. I will share the code today actually. Today. Okay. Just you need to run. Look at my screen. Once, yeah, I hope you already know, we are just trying to preparing the file actually. Conclusion of the story, all MP4 files. As of now, only one file. Tomorrow I will explain with the two files actually. Now, globe.globe, I hope you already know this. And it is preparing the file path actually. Then get ready, file paths are ready. I mean, we have loaded successfully videos actually. We have loaded successfully what exactly, sir? Video. That is a step number one. What is the step number one? Loading the video. We need to load the video. Why I have written kind of some function? This is really good approach. Create a function, return statement. This is really good approach actually. Manch approach it actually. Can I get a response from you? Good. Let's move on. Extract audio from video. This code is awesome. This I will explain this one tomorrow, sir. But I will upload today. This code I will explain tomorrow. I will continue in tomorrow's session. We done today's session, team. Let me upload the piece of code. Actually, you will get an idea. Okay. So first of all, I should not upload my video. Let me delete my video first actually. I can zip it and I can share this one with you. Right click. I hope you have to try to install the required libraries. Then you have to rerun the code actually. Okay. Let me just try to log in. Ayyo. I don't know, I'm facing this kind of issue. All right, then here, go to the 530. Look at material, 3, 4. Now, can I upload running notes actually here itself? Now let me upload the project. Extract text from video. Team, I'm sharing the code actually. Extract text from video actually. Try to give recorded, your video, you will get an idea. Can I upload this one? Zip file. All right, thank you. We done today's session. We can connect again tomorrow. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone.